Hello friends, I am Ganesh Kekan. In this video, we will solve one problem on projections of plane, and plane is a 30-60 degree set square. Okay, so it is a triangle. Okay, now we will read out the problem statement first. A 30 degree 60 degree set square of longest side 100 mm long is in VP. Okay, the longest side is there in VP and 30 degree inclined to HP. क्या 30 degree inclined है? Longest side itself. Okay, while surface is making an angle of 45 degree with VP, draw its projections. ठीक है? Okay, so in this problem what they have said, ठीक है, set square 30-60 set square having longest side 100 mm. So it is very simple thing. ठीक है, क्या करूंगा मैं? longest side is 100. ठीक है, तो 100 mm का एक लाइन ड्रॉ करूंगा. ठीक है, देन लॉन्गेस्ट साइड के सामने वाला एंगल क्या होगा? It will be largest angle, that is 90 degree, because other two angles are 30 and 60. So what I will do, from one end I will draw line at an angle of 30 degree, shift at the end, let us put length 100 mm approximately, shift less than, angle is 30, enter. In similar way, repeat line from this point, shift at the rate. ठीक है, अगेन लेंथ इज 100, शिफ्ट लेस देन, यहाँ पे अभी एंगल कितना करूंगा? 120. Why? Because if with positive axis if it is 120, then only with negative axis it is 60 degree. Okay, so I will trim this. Okay, and you can find that these angles are how much? This thing is 30. You see, this angle is 30, then this angle is 60. Okay, now it is resting on this longer edge. Now, so this longer edge has to be made vertical. So right leg, rotate about this point. How much? Minus 90 clockwise. Okay, so you will have this thing like this, and it is there in VP now. So initially we assume that complete plane is there in VP. So front view will be a plane and top view will be a straight line. So this front view will be a triangle, top view will be a line. Okay, so here you can see A dash, B dash, C dash is a plane in front view, as complete plane is there in VP. Okay, and top view will be a straight line. You see A comma B and C. Okay, now once we have this 30 degree set square is resting on VP on longest side AB. ठीक है, ये AB पे रेस्ट कर रहा है. Now in next statement what they have given, surface का angle, surface is making an angle of 45 degree. ठीक है, तो ये कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हो? Very simple. This line view will be copied from this location to this location. ठीक है, and then ये line view angle कितना बना रहा है? Line view is making an angle of 45. So this line which is copied here, that will be rotated by 45 degree by keeping AB point as a center point. AB point as a center point. Okay. Now once we have this line ABC, this is inclined at an angle of 45. Then draw projections 1, 2. Then draw horizontal projectors 1, 2 and 3. Locate all the points A dash, B dash and C dash. So here you can see plane is inclined at an angle of 45 degree with VP. So shape of plane will be distorted like this. Okay, so this is step number 2. Now for step number 3, which data is given? 30 degree inclined to HP. क्या? Longest side is inclined to HP at an angle of 30 degree. तो longest side कौन सा है? AB is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So in step 2, AB का inclination कितना है? X y के साथ it is vertical. ठीक है, it is 90 degree. So by what angle it has to be rotated? So that AB angle of AB becomes 30 degree. This complete object will be copied. This object will be copied. You can place it here. ठीक है, and then rotate the object. Rotate the object by what? कितने डिग्री से? 60 डिग्री. ये लाइन कितने डिग्री से रोटेट करना पड़ेगा in this direction? 60 degree, so that angle becomes 30 by keeping B dash point as a base point. ठीक है, तो ऑब्जेक्ट को रोटेट किया, so object becomes like this. This is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash, and this A dash B dash is making an angle of 30 degree with HP. Then draw projectors 1, 2 and 3. और यहाँ से कितना? AB से 1 और यहाँ से 2. Locate all the points A, B and you see point A, this is point B and this is point C. Join these points. You will be getting the top view. Okay, so you can see the set square is there in VP resting on AB. ठीक है, surface का angle is equal to how much? 45 degree. ठीक है, at the same time that longest edge, resting edge is making an angle of 30 degree with HP. ठीक है, so this is about the solution of the problem. ठीक है, I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.